How to fix Halo Infinite stuttering issue on Windows. 1. Check the minimum system requirement. Upgrade your hardware if possible. 2. Update your graphic driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Change in-game settings. 3.1 Set the resolution scale down to 90 in the video pane. For lower-end hardware players, try resolution scaling instead. 3.2 Set minimum frame rate and maximum frame rate. Enable VSYNC. 3.3. Set texture filtering to ultra in graphics. Turn off async compute. Note, if you're one of those AMD graphics card users, turn it on. 4. Turn off background apps. Or run Steam in Windows Clean Boot. 5. Change NVIDIA resolution by changing the resolution from 4K to 1440p.